Before starting class, I am giving one question. Please try to do that question first, then we will be starting our class. And the question is from the previous class only. So are you ready for solving that question? Guys, in this question, there is less chemistry, more mathematics is there. So hope you will be enjoying this question, right? The question is, please write this question. What is this question? Three mole of PCl5. 3 mole of PCl5 kept in 1 liter closed in closed container, right? So reaction vessel, right? Reaction vessel was allowed, right? Allowed to attain equilibrium. Guys, I am writing equilibrium like this only, so you have to see these things, right? Equilibrium at 380 Kelvin, right? 380 Kelvin. Calculate composition of the mixture at equilibrium Kc equals to 1.80. Try to do this question, guys. Everybody is here? How we can do this question, guys? Are you aware about this or not? Please tell me that. Any problem? There is less chemistry, more mathematics is there. I hope those who are familiar with the quadratic equation, they will be able to solve this question easily. What is the quadratic formula? Who is knowing this quadratic formula? I hope everybody is knowing. From a mathematics background student, they are knowing the quadratic formula. Is it okay? Try to solve this question then. Who has done this question till now? Anyone who has done this question? See guys, I am just hinting you. If it is possible for you to solve, then please tell me. What is saying here? 3 mole of PCl5, right? So PCl5 is there. PCl5 is there, right? So 3 mole of PCl5 kept in 1 liter closed reaction vessel, right? 1 liter closed reaction vessel was allowed to attain equilibrium at 380 Kelvin, right? Complete composition of the mixture. So you have to do what? So PCl5 will react, it will form what? PCl3 and Cl2, right? So let's suppose in the initial, the concentration was what? Initial concentration was what? We will be taking initial concentration of this PCl5 is what? 3. There is no reaction, so there will be zero formation will be there. And after that, if the reaction proceeds forward, right? So what will be happening then? So see guys, the reactant will be decreasing, yes or no? The reactant will be decreasing, whatever be the amount of reactant will be there, so that will be decreasing. So let's suppose X amount is decreasing, 3 minus X, right? So here what is the formation there? There is a formation of X is there. Now I hope from here you will be able to calculate the answer of this question. So you have to find what? You have to find the value of Kc. Try to find the value of Kc first. How to find the value of Kc, guys? How you can find the value of Kc? Anyone who is trying for this question? Atachaya, are you doing? Anusika, what about you? Are you able to solve this question? Vishnu Priya, what about you? Are you able to solve this question or not? Okay, no answer is coming from your side. I have to solve this question or what? See guys, what is the formula for Kc? If you have to find the value of Kc, then okay, do then guys, do fast. See guys, Kc will be equals to what? Kc will be equals to what? Concentration of this product, that is what? PCl3 into concentration of Cl2 upon concentration of PCl5. Yes or no? What do you say, guys? Now, see here. Kc has been given to you. What has been given to you? That Kc is 1.80. Kc is equals to what? 1.80 has been given to you. So you will be keeping this Kc here. 1.80 into PCl3 and Cl2. See here. So what you are getting for PCl3? X and X. PCl3 and C2 is what? X. So you have to do what? You have to take X here. So concentration of X into concentration of X upon what? PCl5. So what is the amount of this PCl5? So you will be taking what? 3 minus X here, right? Now what you will be going to do here, see this x into x, that will be what, x square. So 1.80 equals to x square upon 3 minus x, right? So now you can do what, you can take this to the left hand side. So what will be happening there, so you can just multiply this 1.80 into what, 3 minus x, 3 minus x equals to what, x square. Guys, we can convert it into quadratic equation and we can make it equals to what, 0. So 1.80 into 3, this will be equals to what, 5.4. 1.80 into what, 3, 30, 8 3 is 54, 8 3 is 4, right? Yes, 24, and 3 1 is 3 plus 2, 5. So 5.40, right? So 5.40 minus, what will be there, minus 1.8 into x, 1.8 x, right, equals to what, x square, isn't it? So now what we will be doing here, just we will be taking this x square to the left hand side. So what we will be going to get here, minus 1.8 x minus x square equals to 0, right? Now you might have solved this type of equations in your maths, right? So what we are doing here, if we have to bring this x square in plus, so we will be multiplying all this with what, minus. So it will come what, minus. If you will be multiplying all this with minus, so it will become what, minus 5.40 plus 1.8x plus x square equals to 0. Now we can take this here to get the solution easily. X square plus 1.8x minus 5.40 equals to 0. Why I have taken this side? Because we are knowing in a quadratic equation the general formula is what, x square plus bx plus c equals to what, 0. So that's why I have taken this in the first, x square. So guys, now you have to solve this equation and you have to find the value of x. I am not going to help you with this. You have to find the value of x. You are preparing for JEE examination. You all are very good in the mathematics, I hope, and I can understand that you can do this. You can find the answer of this x here. Will you be able, Kanishka, will you be able to find the value of x here? What you will be applying? Can we do by middle term splitting term as well? Yes or no? Or we have to find by only that formula, that is quadratic formula? Will what you are preferring, you can, and tell me the answer, guys. And how you have brought that also you have to tell me. Anyone who has found the answer for this question apart from Attajya? Anyone else who has got the answer, guys? Now you have to solve the mathematics part only. You have to find. You have to tell me what will be the formula for this. Like what will be the right answer for this x? Once you will be getting x, so you will be able to know the value of what, xc, the concentration of what has been asked here. See here, 3 mole of PCl5 kept in 1 liter closed reaction vessel was allowed to attain equilibrium at 300 Kelvin. Calculate the composition of mixture at equilibrium Kc. So you have to find what, PCl3 and Cl2, the mixture, right? So as we have seen that x and x are what? This mixture. So whatever be the value of x, so the value will be that will be the same value for PCl3 and Cl2 as well. Anyone else apart from Atacha who has solved this question till now? Atacha, can you please tell me that how you have brought the answer for this question? What will we be applying here? What will be the formula that we will be applying here? Can you please tell me that?
Sir, am I audible?
Yes, can you please tell me the formula?
I used quadratic equation, quadratic formula,
Yes, what
sir.
is the quadratic formula
That is
then?
minus b plus or minus square
Yes,
root of
so x equals to what?
x equal to
X equals to minus
b plus or minus
plus minus, yes, under root
square root of
b
b
square
square minus 4ac
4ac upon
by 2a.
2a, right?
Yes, sir.
So guys, you can apply this formula. So applying this formula, what you will be going to get here? Minus b. What will be the value of this minus b? Can we take minus 1.8? See, this is a, this is b, and this is what? C. I don't think I should tell you these things, guys. You are from the mathematics background. You all are aware about this, right? So what will be the value for this 1.8, right? That is what? Minus b, what should I take? Minus 1.8? Yes or no, guys? Please tell me. And before here, see, minus has been given. So minus of minus 1.8. Yes? Yes or no? Please tell me, guys. Any problem till here? And plus minus, what I will be going to take here? B. B is what? B is what? 1.8. So I have to do what? 1.8 square or not? Please tell me. Atacha, please turn on your mic. What should I do here?
Sir, it is plus 1.8.
So 1.8 square minus 4 into
4 into 5 minus
yes minus 5.40
5.4.
yes into C. What is the value for C? What I will be going to take for C? B square minus 4a. Yes, A is what? 1.
Yes, sir.
And
So
C is what? Yes, so we have to multiply only this one,
by
right?
2, sir. Yeah.
And by 2a. What is the value for A then? Value of A is what? 1 only.
1 only.
So
Yeah.
we will be dividing it by 2 into 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Now what you will be going to get here, guys, you have to calculate this 1.8 into C, 1.8 minus 5 minus 4 into 5.40. So minus and minus, this will become plus. Yes, Atacha? So 1.8 and plus 5.40 into 4. What will be the value for this? Guys, you have to calculate the same thing. I don't have to calculate these things. 1.8 into 1.8, what will be this? 3.24. 1.8 into 1.8. 8 8 ja 64, right? 8 1 ja 8. 8 plus 6.
3.24, sir.
So what will be the value for this?
24.
3.24. Just help me. So here I will be writing what? Minus of minus 1.8 plus minus under root, that will be what? 3.24.
3.24
right?
plus
Minus yes. Now I will be doing what? Plus or what? Plus.
Plus, sir.
Yes. Plus what will be the value for this? 5.40 into 4.
21.6, sir.
21.6, right?
Yes.
So if you will be going to multiply 5.40 into 4, guys, so what you will be going to get? 4 0 4 0 4 4 16 6. So 1 5 4 20 plus 1 21. So 21.60, right? Is it okay? Now, so after this, what will be there? 2a. So you have to divide it by 2a. Yes, 2a. Now here you are having what? 2.16, 21.6 and 3.24, right? 3.24 is there. So here 4, 6 plus 2, 8 will be there. 3 plus 1, 4 will be there. And again 24.84. Yes, Atacha? Is this the answer that you have got after adding all these things?
Yes, sir.
24.84.
Yes, sir. 24.8.
And now you have to divide it by what? 2. Guys, see here. What we are going to do here. Minus of minus 1.8 plus what? Plus minus under root. What? We have got what? 24.84, right? 24.84 divided by what? Divided by 2. So what you will be going to get here? Can anyone tell me? After dividing, what we will be going to get? Atacha, what you have got after division? 2 1 2, 2 2 4, 2 4 8, and 2 4 2, right? This kind of answer you have got. Minus of minus 1.8 plus minus under root. Yes, Atacha, tell me. 2 1 2, 2 2 4, 2
12.242,
4
sir.
8, 2 4 8, and 2 2 4, right?
Yes, sir.
So this. So if this is a perfect square of any number, if this is a perfect square of any number or not, please tell me. 12.42 is a perfect square. What do you say? Anyone is knowing if this is a perfect square or not? We have to check, guys. 12.42. Anyone from mathematics background, please tell me. 12.42 is a perfect square or not? What do you say? One 2.42 is a perfect square or not? What do you say, guys? Please tell me. One 2.42. So it's not a perfect square, I hope. 3.524. So we are getting what? The value for this will be what? What do you say? Ataja, what you have got the value for this to 24.4 after this having the root of this. So what you have got for this? Yes, Vishnu Priya, what do you say? Ataja, what you have got for this answer? After doing the root of this, so what you have got?
3.524, sir.
3.524. Are you sure?
Yes, sir. 3.52.
3.524, right? 524. 52 I have taken, right? So now, so what will be the value for this now? X will be equals to what? Minus minus, this will be plus. What do you say? So it will be equals to what? Actually, it has been given a minus 1.8 only, right? Yes or no, guys? So we don't have to take minus here. See, so it will be equals to what? 5.2. Yes. What do you say? 5.2 something you have told me that. So now, so minus 1.8. If I will be taking what? 5.2 and minus 1.8. So what will be the answer for this question? 8. It will be equals to what? 12 minus 8, 4, and 4 minus 1, 3, right? So 3.4. One answer will be this, and then and the next answer will be what? Anyone tell me what will be the right answer for this question? One answer is 3.4. The next will be what? Guys, in a quadratic equation we are getting two roots, right? So one root that you have got is what? 3.4. I hope this is the answer that you have got. Anyone who has got the answer for this question? Or 1 will be equals to what? If you will be going to add 5.2 and plus what will be there? 1.8. So it will be what? 8 plus 2, 10, 6, 7. No, this will be not the right answer because we have already given, yes, 7. So what will be the right answer then? See.
It is 3.86.
It has been given in the question that Kc equals to 1.80, right? So if Kc has been given to you guys, so what you will be going to do then? Can anyone tell me? Atacha, how you have found the answer for this question? In the last, what you have done? Can you please tell me that? Is there any mistake in calculation part, guys? 3.3. Where it is 3.3? Vishnupriya, where it will be coming 3.3? Can you please tell me that?
X is equal to 3.2.
See, minus 1.8, just a minute. Minus 1.8, right? And again, it will be what? We have to just see. We can do one thing. Actually, the root, if we are taking the root, so 24, see, just a minute. We can do one more thing, right? Minus 1.8 plus what? Just a minute. Can we add these two and divide by 2? Vishnupriya, where you have got 3.3? Can you please tell me that?
I didn't divide it by 2, so in the square bracket. I directly substitute the root square for 24.84. And I
24.84
got
then?
an,
Yeah. 24.84 then?
I got some value closer to 4.8, sir.
Yes, so what will the value for that? 3 point?
So 1.8 plus or
Yes.
minus 4.8
1,
whole divided by 2.
4.8 or what? 1.8?
4.8, sir.
4.8.
1.8 plus or minus 4.8 divided by 2.
Yeah, you can do this as well. So 4.8, yes. So then what you will be going to do that? So then you have to do
Then
what? Yes, minus 1.8 plus,
or plus 1.8.
yes, plus 4.8 divided by 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, so what you will be going to get here? 4.8 minus 1.8. So it will be what? 3. Almost, no, sorry. 4.8 minus 1.8. 0, 3. 3 upon 2, guys. So 3 upon 2 will be equals to what? 1.5? 1.5. So if this is 1.5, right? And one answer will be what? Here you can do what? Minus. One will be in plus, another will be in minus. So minus 1.8 and minus 4.8. So it will be equals to again what? 8860 and 4 plus 1 5 plus 1 6. So 6.6 upon what? 2. So it will be equals to what? 2 3 is 6 and again 2 3 is 6. So 3.3. So minus 3.3. So that will be not the right answer, right? Because the concentration should be in plus. So what will be the right answer then? See guys, if there will be mistake in this part, actually here there is some mistake. The exact answer will be what? Actually, if you will be going to find the exact answer here, 4.8 will be not the right answer. 4.98 I hope so will be the right answer. 4.98. When you will be dividing all this, you will be getting 4.98. So the final answer will be what? What we have got. Although according to this, what we have calculated, according to that, what we are going to get here now, that is 1.5, right? That is 1.5. So till now we are getting what? 1.5. So the value for x is what? Value for x is what? 1.5. So it means that PCl3, the concentration of PCl3 is what? 1.5, and the concentration of Cl1. What do you say? Is it okay? The concentration of PCl3 and Cl2 will be what? That will be equals to 1.5 only. Is it okay? Any problem to anyone? If there is any doubt, guys, then please feel free to ask me. So this is one question that is you can see that there is only less chemistry is there, more mathematics is there. Yes or no? What do you say? So if you will be pro in your quadratic equation, you will be able to solve the questions very easily. Easy? No. Now we are going to see about the acid, base, and salts. First of all, so what do you say, guys? Anyone who has seen acids in their school, lab, or anywhere? What do you say? What do you say about the acid? What can we say about the acids, and what can we say about the base, and what we can say about the salts? Anyone can tell me about that? What are acids? What are base? What are salts? Can anyone tell me that? Acids, base, and salts. So any idea about acids? Guys, in my time, how I used to remember these things. ABR. There is a property that acid turns blue litmus into red, and BRB. Base turns base turns red litmus into blue. Is it okay? So ABR and BRB. Is there any problem? Guys, so will you be able to remember now what are acids and what are base? Will there be any problem? No? Okay, fine. Mukeshwaran, can you please turn on your camera? Why have you turned off your camera, guys? Ashwin Karthik, what happened to you today? Please turn on your camera. Yes. Okay, guys. So now, see here. After so long, Ashwin Karthik, I'm seeing you here. Where were you? Why were you not joining the class? Can you please tell me that?
Having exams, sir.
Yes.
Exams were going on.
Okay. So now the examination has been finished.
Yes, sir. Today only all practicals also got over.
Okay. So please be regular from here, right? Although you were a regular student, why are you missing the class? Don't miss the class, right? Okay, Bhuana, what about you? Everything is going fine? Okay. Now come to the next point then. See guys, so we have discussed about what acid base, right? So what are acids, what are bases? Now different scientists came and they have told about what acids and bases, right? They are having their own theories. So that we will be going to discuss here, right? So Lewis acid, Lewis base, that we will be going to see here. Kc we have seen, right? How we have find the value for Kc. Even we have applied this formula and get the value for Kc as well, and the concentrations as well, right? Now, so what is the formula for this? We have seen how we have find the formula for this Kc. That is what concentration of C. If there will be what A will be there, B will be there concentrations, and what C will be there, and what D will be there, right? So we can find the value for Kc. That what concentration of C to the power C, concentration of D to the power D, upon concentration of what A to the power A, upon concentration of B to the power B. This is the simple formula that we have get from where? In chemical equilibrium, right? So actually today we are going to start the ionic equilibrium part. So there will be also some formula will be coming. So be ready about that, right? Now. So guys, in ionic equilibrium we will be also seeing about the pH. About pH. And I hope everybody is knowing about this pH. You might have learned in your 10th standard as well that pH, if there is pH, the value for pH is 7. So it is what? Neutral. pH 7 will be neutral, right? And if you are moving from 7 to left, so it will be, you are moving towards what? Acidic nature. Is it okay? And if you are moving towards right, so it is what? You are moving towards basic nature, or you can say alkaline nature. So in this acidic, in this acidic or pH scale, you can say there will be what? 14 measurement will be there. So from 0 to 14. So in mid 7 is there. So we are taking water as a neutral, right? That is, the pH of water is neutral. But I will show you that how water we are taking that is act as an acid as well sometime, and it will act as a base sometime. Getting my point? Because different theories are there, and different theories are saying that how it is acting as a acid and how it is acting as a base as well. So you can take these examples from your daily life as well. So these are the examples that we are seeing in our daily life, that how they are the basis, or you can say how the pH are higher. If higher pH is there, it means it is what? Base. If lower pH is there, so it means what? Acid. Is it okay? Fine, guys. Okay. Can anyone tell me that uh, if we are not brushing our teeth, right, for 4 to 5 days or for long days, so what will happen? Actually, it is related to pH value only. That's why I am discussing here. So what will happen? Let's suppose if we are not brushing for so many days, then what will happen? What will happen? Can anyone tell me? No? Nobody is answering. See guys, what will happen as we are eating, right? So our food will be oxidized, and some particles of food will be, stuck with our teeth, right? Because there are some gaps in our teeth, and that will be, that will produce acid. That food will be producing what? Acid after 1 or 2 days. That's why every day we are brushing. Otherwise, if it could not have been happen, so we can be brushing our teeth after 2 days or 3 days in a week. Even somebody are brushing their teeth in a week as well. So what is the basic reason behind this? Every day we have to brush our teeth is what? That it will produce the food particles that are in our teeth, that will be producing acids, and that acid will be doing what? If the pH for that acid will be below 5.4, getting my point? If the pH for that acids will be going below 5.4, then we have to do what? Then you can think that your tooth decay will be starting from there. Is it okay? So why we are brushing then? What is the reason behind brushing? One thing is what? So that your food particles will be not stuck there. One reason is that. And the second reason is what? We are brushing our teeth with what? A paste, Colgate or Pepsodent or Close-Up, whatever be the paste. They are having a nature of alkaline nature. If you will be going to see that then you will be able to see that they are of what nature? They are of alkaline nature. Every toothpaste, if you will be going to see, they will be not of acidic nature. They will be of what nature? They will be of basic nature, or you can say alkaline nature. So what is the reason behind that for having the alkaline nature? Now can you explain me that? Because of what? Is the food particles produces acids, and to neutralize that acids, we are brushing our tooth with what? Alkaline nature toothpaste. Is it okay? So now I hope you have understood the chemistry of this alkaline, basic, pH, acidic, what is happening in our mouth, why we should have to brush our teeth daily, and even morning and even at going to sleep. I hope everything is clear. So will you be brushing your teeth every day or not, guys? Please tell me that. Yes. So will you be going to brushing your teeth at night every day or not? What happens, see guys? Actually, when we are if you are not brushing your teeth at night, what happens? So from morning to night, and even when you are sleeping, so there is high chances of the food particles will be stuck in your teeth, and they will be starting what? They will be producing what? They will be producing acids. Why the childs are like, said that you should not have to eat chocolates? What is the reason behind that? Chocolates are what? There is very easy for chocolates to be stuck into the teeth, right? And again, that will be producing what? Acids. And for that reason, they can decay your tooth. Is it okay now? Everyone is fine now? So now, one trick I have given to learn how to learn this acid and what, like, see, when there will be a litmus test will be there, how you will be finding the acids and base. So you might be doing the experiments in your school, guys. So are you doing these things or not? Can you please tell me? Atachya, Kaniska, are you doing these things in your school? Are you testing the acids, bases? What do you say? No? So see here, actually what happens? So acid turns blue litmus into, yes, who is saying? Anyone is saying anything? Guys, I have given you one trick, that is what? ABR. Acid turns blue litmus into red. And second is what? BRB. BR for Bihar and B for base. So here you can take what? BRB. Blue base turns red litmus into blue. Is it okay? And ABR. ABR is what? Acid turns blue litmus into red. ABR. Is it okay? So this is basic one. Okay, now come to the next point. So direction of equilibrium, guys, you might have seen these things in the previous lectures only, how we can find the direction of equilibrium. Like Kc and Qc we have seen. Who will be telling me about Kc and Qc? Anyone in the class? If Qc is greater than Kc, then what will be happening? Anyone tell me? The reaction will shift towards forward direction or it will shift in the backward direction. If Qc is greater than Kc, then
Backward direction.
yes, what direction?
Backward direction. QC is greater than QC.
So if QC is greater, it means what? Product is more. Concentration of product is more.
So
Right?
yes, sir.
If concentration of product will be more, then it will shift towards back to become the reactions into equilibrium, to make the reactions in equilibrium, right? So it will do what? It will shift towards backward to make it in a equilibrium condition. Is it okay, guys? Okay, fine. Okay, one more thing, guys. When you will be adding acid and base both, so what you will be going to get then? Can anyone tell me? If you are adding acid and base, then what you will be going to get? Salt, you might have learned these things, guys. So acid plus base or acid base plus acid, what it will be going to give you? There will be a neutralization reaction will be there. That is what? That is salt you will be going to get. See, guys, there is one example I am taking from very daily life. That is what? During winter season, the people, those who are staying in the village areas, or you can say in the suburban areas, right? So during winter season, what happens? You might be seeing that in winter seasons there are so many, in Rabi crops, so many plants are planted in your locality, right? And mostly mustard is there. Getting my point? The yellow color flower that growing in your areas of mustard that are really, attractive for the bees. People from the biology will be able to understand more about this, right? Why? Bees are doing what? Bees are doing what? They are what? Pollination. Very good. Vishnu Priya, how you are coming to know about this? They are doing pollination. So pollination, if they are doing pollination, it means what? So if they are doing pollination, yes.
They will be helping the production of plants by flowering plants.
Yes. So these bees are really very important for our life as well, right? Why? Because they are enhancing the productivity of the flower or productivity of the crops, right? Because they help in what? They help in reproduction, or you can say pollination. You can say like that. So bees will be doing what? They will be doing the reproduction or pollination, right? If pollination will be there, so there will be more crops will be growing in that area. Getting my point? So what I was discussing, yes. So what happens if, let's suppose you are in your locality, sometimes what happens if you are going through that, sometimes what happens, they bite in your hand. Or sometimes some people are having stuck with their mouth. There are so many, if so many bees will be coming, and if they will be stuck in your mouth and they will be biting them, then what will happen? They are producing what? Acids. Do you know this or not? The bees are producing what? Acids. And if you have to neutralize that, So if let's suppose if anyone is facing this issue, like they are ant, or let's suppose ant or bees are biting you, right? So what you can do now? From here you can learn one thing. If you are having baking soda at your home, baking soda, right? I think everybody is having baking soda at their home. So just have a baking soda in that place. So what is the use of that baking soda? Baking soda is of what, alkaline in nature, and that alkaline nature will try to neutralize what, the acidic nature of that ant or bees that have stuck in your area, or they have bitten in your area, right? So there will be high chances that the pain that you are facing due to that acid induced, that will be normalized. Is it okay? So there are so many importance of this acid, base, and salts that I am going to give you today, right? So now different scientists has came, so and they have given, so many theories has been given by this, like different scientists, right? So on if you will be going to see, Arrhenius came, he has also given here some theory about acid and base. Like what the theory they are giving, that they are saying about that, what are acids and what are base. Somebody is saying what, somebody is saying that if anything is, uh, if electron pair is given by any element, then it will be called as what? Acids or base. Like that they are saying, right? Or if anyone is accepting, if any element is accepting electron pair, then also it will be said as either acid or base. That will be seen, right? So some scientists is saying what? If what? See here. Comparing the ionization hydrochloric acid with that of the acetic acid in water, we find that both of them are polar covalent molecules, forming completely ionized into constituent ions, while the latter only partially ionized. So they will be ionized. See here. See here. Arrhenius concept, what is saying about this? What is saying about Arrhenius is saying what about acids and base? See here. This is very important one, guys, and try to learn from here. One thing is there, that is H plus ion. What is that H plus ion, guys? Salt and water. What is that salt and water? Anusika, Acha, you have given the answer for that question. No problem. According to Arrhenius theory, acids are substance that dissociates in water to give what? H plus ion. So acids are what? They will be giving what? H plus ion. And bases are substances that produce hydroxyl ion, that is what? OH minus ion. So what are acids and what are base? Getting my point? See here, HX is there. So if it is giving what? Hydronium ion, or you can say H plus ion. So it will be what? It will be acids. Is it okay, guys? And if it will be giving what? X minus. So it will be what? OH minus. That is what? Base. Is it okay? This theory that you are learning every day in your life, this has been given by whom? Arrhenius. Is it okay? Is it fine for everyone? Now see here. So now what is saying here? A bare proton, that is what? If H plus is there, guys, if H plus is there, it means what? See, if you are adding any plus sign over any element, it means what? You are removing electron from there, right? Yes or no? So hydrogen is having how many electrons, proton and neutrons? Who will be telling me? How many electron, proton and neutron that hydrogen is having? Hydrogen is having one electron, one proton, right? And how many number of neutron, guys? Nobody will be saying. How many neutrons? Nobody is answering. No. Zero. Yes, very good answer. So guys, so if plus charge is over there, it means that hydrogen has lost his one electron and only proton is there with the hydrogen, right? So what will be happening if its proton is given? See what is saying here. According to the Arrhenius theory, acids are substances that dissociates in water to give hydrogen ions. It is not ions, it is ions, H plus. And base are substances that produce hydroxyl ions, OH minus ions. The ionization of an acid, HX, can be represented by the following that you can see here, right? So a bare proton H is very reactive. That is what? H plus is very reactive and cannot exist freely. So H plus, there is not possibility of H plus that can exist, freely in aqueous solution, right? So thus it bonds to the oxygen atom of a solvent water molecule to give what? Trigonal pyramidal hydronium ion, that is what? H3O plus ion. So when it will be, when it will be in contact with water, so it will be giving what? H3O plus ion. And that ion is what? H3O plus. H3O plus is what? This is hydronium ion. This is what? Hydronium ion, guys. Please have a note of this. So is it okay, guys? So H plus or H3O plus, they both are, we can say about what? Hydrated proton, or you can say what? They are what? They are in a condition to give what? Acids. So wherever there will be a, wherever there will be a case of what? Test of acids, we are seeing what? Whether it is giving H plus ion or H3O plus ion or not. If they are giving H plus ion, it means what? This is an acid. If that is not giving H plus ion or H3O plus ion, it means what? That is not an acid, right? If it is giving OH minus ion, then it is what? A base. If it is not giving OH minus ion, then it is not a base. Is it okay, guys? So if we, let's suppose we are having a molecule MOH, right? So see, MOH, this is metal only, OH in aqueous solution, what it will be giving? M plus and what? OH minus ion. If it is giving OH minus ion, then it is what? We can say that this is what? Hydroxyl ion. Hydroxyl ion. And if this is hydroxyl ion, so it means what? If in any reaction OH minus is produced, it means what? There is a base has been generated. Is it okay? So the hydroxyl ion also exists in hydrated form. In the aqueous solution, Arrhenius concept of acid and base, however, suffers from the limitations of being applicable only to aqueous solution, and also does not account for the basicity of substance like ammonia and do not possess a hydroxylic group. See guys, NH3, it is not saying anything about this. And Arrhenius equation is what? It will tell you there is a limitation of Arrhenius equation. What is that? That it will give their test in what? Water only. Is it okay? Arrhenius equation, or you can say Arrhenius theory, is applicable on the basis of what? Water. When you will be putting in water, then only you will be getting dot H plus ion or OH minus ion. Is it okay? Any doubt till here? No? Okay. So have a break of 5 to 10 minutes, then we will be back. Hello everyone, are you there? So guys, we have seen about the what? Arrhenius concept, right? Now we are going to see about the Bronsted-Lowry theory, right? See guys, what he has said. Bronsted-Lowry, what he has said. See, he has also said about acid and base, right? So what he has said that, see, we are having what? NH3, we are having what? S2O. Again, we are getting what? NH4 plus ion and OH minus ion, right? So what he is saying that, what are the acids and what are the base? That he is saying, right? See, according to Bronsted-Lowry theory, acid is a substance that is capable of donating hydrogen ion, right? It is what? Ion only. Is it okay? It is what? Acid is a substance that is capable of what? Donating hydrogen ion. Is it okay? Is there any problem? No. So acids are what? Acid is a substance that is capable of donating hydrogen ion, right? And bases are substances that are capable of what? Of accepting hydrogen ions, that is H plus ion. Is it okay? In short, we are what? We have seen proton. We have seen proton, that is what? H plus. So it is what? Acids are proton donors and bases are proton acceptors. Acids are what? Acids are proton donors, right? And bases are what? Bases are what? Bases are proton acceptor. Is it okay? So guys, are you able to find anything from this figure? Can anyone tell me anything about this? Can anyone tell me? Bases are what? Proton acceptors. Acids are what? Acids are what? Those who are losing their what? Losing their H plus sign. Is it okay? See here. See here. NH in S2O. What is there? What is happening here? Represent a C here. The basic solution is formed due to the presence of what? Hydroxyl ion. That is what? OH minus ion. And this water molecule act as a proton. See here guys. Water molecule act as a what? Proton donor. How it will be donating proton? So if you have gone through your chemical bonding chapter, we are having what? The structure of this water is what? Like this. And there are what? Two lone pairs are there with this water. Is it okay? So what we are going to see here, in this reaction, water molecule act as a proton donor. So water will be giving what? Proton. It will be donating the proton, right? So it will be act as what? Actually it is having what? Electrons. You can see here. So proton donor. And ammonia molecule act as a proton acceptor. So ammonia will be acting as what? It will be acting as a proton acceptor. Is it okay? No. So you can see here that, so we have what? The Bronsted-Lowry theory is saying what? The one which will be what? Donating will be called as what? Acid. And one which will be accepting will be called as what? Base. Is it okay guys? So see guys, if you will be going to see here, water H2O is there, right? That is acid. And OH minus is there, right? OH minus is there. So what we are going to get here, it is what? Conjugate base. Is it okay? And here if you are going to see, that is what? NH3 is there. And NH4 plus is there, right? So it is what we are having. And here we are having what? Water, that is what? Acid. So they are in what? Conjugate acid and conjugate base, right? Everyone, is it clear to you? Any problem till here? See guys, this is what OH minus ion. This is in what? Conjugate base, right? And NH3 is what? Here you can see base, and here we are getting what? That is what we are getting here. That is conjugate acid. So water will be losing what? Electron. Getting my point? And this OH minus ion. See, OH minus is there. So it will be what? It will be in conjugate base. So in the reverse, it is saying what? H plus ion is transferred from NH. In the reverse is what? H plus ion is transferred from NH to OH minus ion. So NH to OH minus ion. You can say that, right? And NH4 plus act as a Bronsted base. And in return, if you will be going to say what? NH4 act as a Bronsted base. The acid-base pair that differ only one proton is called what? Conjugate acid or conjugate base. Conjugate acid, and conjugate base. So the pair, if they are having only difference of one H plus ion, so it will be called as what? It will be called as C here. So you can see that what? If there will be a difference of only one H plus, it will be called as what? See here, NH3 is there. So it is what? 3 hydrogen ion is there. NH4 is there. So 4 H plus ion is there, right? So they will be called as what? See here, acid. And this will be called as what? Base. Again here, if you will be going to see water, H2O is there. So 2 hydrogen is there, and here 1 hydrogen is there. So there will be a difference of what? 1 H only, you can say that. So it is what? That you can say that NH4 acts as a Bronsted base. The acid base that differs only one by proton, only one by one proton, is called conjugate acid base pair. Therefore, OH minus is called conjugate base of an acid H2O. So it is what? H2O is an acid, OH minus is a base. So there is difference of what? 1 H only. In case of NH3 and NH4 plus, you can see here there is one difference of what? 1 hydrogen is there. Is it okay, guys? So can we say this what? Conjugate acid and conjugate base. What is this conjugate acid and conjugate base? Is there any problem till here? So if I will be going to give you one question, will you be able to solve that or not? Please tell me that. If I will be going to give you one question, so will you be able to solve that? Yes? Okay. I will be giving you some question. Just first see here, and after that I will be going to give you one question. Right? Now, if Bronsted acid is strong acid, then its conjugate base is a weak base. Guys, this is for the part of remember only. If Bronsted acid is what? Acid is strong, then base will be weak. Right? If Bronsted acid is strong, then base will be what? Weak. Is it okay? So then only they will be living in the conjugation. So conjugate base is a weak base and vice versa. It means if base is strong, if base is what? Strong, then acid will be what? Acid will be weak. Is it okay? Any problem till here? So acid has one extra proton and each conjugate base has one less proton. So acid will be having what? 1 extra H plus, and base will be what? They will be having 1 H lesser than that acid. Right? Now see here, hydrochloric acid in water, HCl, act as an acid by donating a proton, that is what? H2O molecule, which act as a base. Right? So we cannot say that water is only a base or water is only an acid. It will be according to the molecule we have to see, right? Now here you can see here, it can be seen the above equation that water acts as a base because it accepts the proton. So water is accepting H2. Earlier it was what? H2O. Now it is accepting 1 electron, right? So it is accepting what? 1 proton. So now the species H3O plus is produced when water accepts a proton from HCl. Therefore, Cl is a conjugate base of HCl and HCl is a conjugate acid of base Cl. Getting my point? Now, one thing is more. H2O is the conjugate base of an acid H3O plus, and H3O plus is a conjugate acid of a base H2O. I'm going to give you one, two questions. Then you will be able to understand that how it is happening, right? See here. Question is what? Question is, what will be the conjugate base for, right, for A, SCO3 minus? What will be the base for this? Can you please tell me, guys? What will be the conjugate base for this? One is this. Second is what? One more question is that HF minus. One more question is there. That is what? H2SO4. These are three questions, and you have to tell me what are the conjugate base for these molecules. SCO3 minus, HF minus, H2SO4. You have to say me what will be the conjugate base for all this. Can anyone tell me about this? What will be the conjugate base for this? Vishnu, could you have a very good answer? And what about HF minus and H2SO4? Guys, are you able to understand here? Others? Vishnu, SO4, only you have to minus what? One H only. So in H2SO4, what will be there? HSO4 will be there or SO4 will be there? Yes, Anusika, are you getting the answer for these questions, guys? Yes, good answers are coming. So one more question. Now this time question is what? You have to tell me the conjugate acid. This time I have asked you what? Conjugate base. Now you have to tell me about the conjugate acid. This is a very easy question. The question is what? We are having what? You have to write the conjugate acid, right? The question is what? NH2 is there. NH2 is there, right? What is the question? Question is what? We are having NH2 minus. Second is what? We are having NH3. Third is what? We are having FCOO minus. FCOO minus, right? And yes, please do these first. What will be their conjugate acids? So guys, what you have to do here only, can you please tell me? There's you in conjugate base, what you have done? You have to only minus one hydrogen only, right? You have to subtract what? You have to subtract one hydrogen from there. Now you have to tell me about the acid, conjugate acids. Then you have to add one what? You have to add one H. Is it fine, everyone? So what are the right answers? Everybody is giving the right answers only. Very good. So what are the right answers? H2COO. Yes. We are having what? NH2. Then what will be the right answer for this? If NH2 is there, so we will be getting what? NH3. One hydrogen will be more there. If NH3 is there, so then what will be going to get here? Kaniska, can you please tell me the answer of this question? Guys, if NH2 is there, so we'll be getting what? NH3. But NH3 is there, so what will we going to get here? NH4 plus ion, right? Yes or no? What do you say? Yes. And about this, we will be getting what? HCOOOH, right? Is it okay? Is it okay, guys? So see how it will be forming. C double bond O, single bond OH will be there, and H will be here. Is it okay? Any problem to anyone till here? No? Fine? No. We are going to see another question first. Question is what? Now this time what is the question? Question is, I am going to give you one species and you have to write their conjugate acid and their conjugate base. What are the species? Species are what? H2O, HCO3 minus, right? HSO4 minus, right? And NS3. These are the four species. You have to write their conjugate acids and their conjugate base. You have to just write their conjugate acids and conjugate base, guys. Once you will be done with this, then please tell me. So many people have answered this question. Anusha, conjugate base is OH, CO3, SO4 and NH2. Very good. So what will be the conjugate acid then? And don't forget to write the minus sign over there. If you're writing OH minus OH, then you have to also put OH minus as well. S3O, H3O. So you have to put plus sign as well, right? H2CO3, right? H2SO4 and NH4 plus sign. Yes, guys. I hope now everybody is comfortable with this. What will be the conjugate base here? Conjugate base and conjugate acid. See here, guys. So it will be what? For H2O, you will be removing one hydrogen from here. So it will be what? OH minus. Here it will be what? SCO3. So what will be there? CO3 will be there. Is it okay? Conjugate base will be what? You have to remove one hydrogen from here. So what will be there? So CO3. CO3 will be there, right? CO3 2 minus will be there. In case of SO4, SO4 is there. So SO4 2 minus. Right? And in case of NH3, so you will be writing what? NH2 minus. Yes. In case of acids, H2O is there. So what you will be writing here? H3O plus. And in case of HCO3 minus, so what you will be writing for this? H2CO3, right? Any problem till here? For this you are knowing H2SO4. And for this NH3, what you will be going to write for this NH3? So NH4 plus, guys. Yes, everyone. Is there any doubt till here? No doubt? Okay. Now we are going to start with another thing, that is what? Lewis acid and Lewis base. Now, so according to Lewis, he was also a scientist, guys. We are always drawing its structure. Let's suppose if you have to draw Cl. So outermost electronic configuration that we are denoting it by what? Dot 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 617. So these are basically what? This is electron dot structure of what? Lewis. Actually this has been given by which scientist? That is given by Lewis only. It is okay. So what Lewis has been said about this acid and base, see here. He has said what? See, guys. Acid is which accept a lone electron pair, right? Acids are what? Acids are accepting electron pair, and base which donates an electron pair. So acids and base are what? Base are what? They will be donating electron pair. Getting my point? And in case of acids, they will be what? Acids are what? See, guys. As a species which accepts electron pair. So acids are what? Accepting electron pair. Is it okay? Is there any problem, guys? So now, if you will be going to see about the Bronsted theory, we have seen that there will be no difference between, there is not much difference about this Lewis base and Bronsted theory as well. See here, bases are concerned that that is not much difference between Bronsted-Lowry theory and Lewis concept, as the base provides a lone pair in both cases. Base are what? They provide lone pair. However, in Lewis concept, many acids do not have proton, right? A typical example is what? That is BF3 and NS3. So here there you will be not able to see that they are having what? You can see electron deficient species. They are what? Electron deficient species. BF3, NH3. So what we are going to see here? See, nitrogen is having how many electrons in their outermost? If you will be going to draw this nitrogen, so they are having how many electrons? 5, right? So if it is bonding with 3 hydrogen, again we will be having what? 1 lone pair with that nitrogen, right? So you can see here BF does not have proton but still act as an acid and react with NH3 by accepting its lone pair of electron. So BF3 will be accepting what? Lone pair from the nitrogen, right? So now you are getting what? BF3 plus NH3, getting what? BF3 NH3. The electron deficient species like AlCl3, CO3 plus, Mg plus 2, etc. can act as a Lewis acid, while H2O, NH3, OH minus, etc., which can donate pair of electron, can act as Lewis base. Guys, please have a look on this and then tell me if there is any problem. What are Lewis base and Lewis acids? Can anyone tell me? Atachaya, can you please tell me what are acids and what are base according to Lewis? Are you there? No? Yes, Atachaya is there. Kaniska, what do you say? What are these acids and what are this base? Lewis acid and Lewis base. Can you please tell me, guys? Can you please tell me what this? Anyone, guys, please tell me. What are this Lewis acid and Lewis base? Nobody is saying it. Just a minute, I'm asking with. Atachya, please turn on your camera. Vishnu Priya, please turn on your camera. Ashwin Karthik, turn on your camera. Yes, so Vishnu Priya, what are this? Lewis acid.
Species where electrons are accepted by the elements, sir.
Yes,
It is
yes.
known as a Lewis acid, and in Lewis base,
Yes.
exactly opposite, such as it donates electron pair.
So what we can say about this? So one will be what? One will be donating their electron pair, and one will be what? That will be accepting, right?
Accepting the electron pair.
So if it is accepting the electron pair, then what will be it? It will be an acid or it will be a base?
If you accept, it is an acid, sir.
Will it be acid? Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
So can you give me the examples for that? Yes. See, if it is accepting,
MS plus Mg 2 plus, sir.
if it is accepting electron pair, then it will be what? Base or acid?
Acid.
Right? Acid. And if it is donating, then
It's a base, sir.
it's a base. So water molecule, it is donating its electron pair or what? Water molecule, H2O.
Yes, sir.
So it will be a base or it will be an acid? H2O is having what? 2 lone pair. Water is having what? How many lone pair? This will be having 2 lone pair. So it will be a base or it will be an acid?
It's a base.
Yes.
It's a base, sir.
Lewis base. Is it okay
Donates
now?
electron.
Again, NH3 again. NH3 is NH3. 3 hydrogens are there, right? Again, 1 lone pair is there. So if it will be donating 1 lone pair, so it will be act as what? Lewis base. Is it okay? Any doubt, anyone? Any doubt? Anyone, guys? Please tell me. No doubt? No doubt to anyone? Should I ask? Okay. Now I have to do one relations, right? I have to do one relations, then I will be showing you that how the relations are there. Then after that, we'll be seeing some questions. So I have now I have told you that if there will be what strong acid will be there, then what will be happening then? Donates its what proton, guys. So the base will be what? See, I have told you earlier also. If there will be what? The stronger acid donates the proton to the stronger base. Is it okay? And stronger acids have weak, and stronger acid will be having what? Weak base in conjugation. Weak base in conjugation. Is it okay? Any problem to anyone till here? Guys, are you able to see your class assessment part? Please see your class assessment first. Are you able to see that? Then we will be discussing about the pH scale first. Are you able to see your class assessment, everyone? Please tell me. No? Just a minute. Yes? So do one thing first. See, guys, we are having what pH scale. See, if pH is greater than 7, so it will be what nature? It will be showing what? If pH is greater than 7, then it will be showing what? Basic nature. Then it will be what? Basic nature, or you can say base. I have told you these things. If pH is less than 7, then it will be a what? A solution will be of acidic nature. Right, guys? And if pH is what? If pH is equals to 7, then neutral. Then it will be a what? Neutral molecule will be there. Is there any doubt in here? Anyone, any doubt is still here? Any doubt? We have to see about the ionization constant of water and its ionic product, right? So water is there, right? That is in acid. And again water is there, that is in what? Base. Water can act as an acid and as a base as well, right? So it is giving what? Conjugate acid. And OH minus. The value of K. The value of K. If the value of K we have to find, so it means what? We have to take from here H3O plus, right? K equals to what? Concentration of this H3O plus ion into what? Concentration of OH minus ion upon what? H2O. Can we write this or not? Please tell me, guys. H2O. See, guys, here. But we will be omitting what? Actually, we are having what? H2 and H2. Excess amount of H2 is there. So we will be omitting that. Right? If excess amount of water will be there, so there will be no use of water, right? So final value, what we will be going to get? K equals to what? H3. K equals to what? concentration of H3O plus ion into concentration of OH minus ion upon what? Concentration of H2O, right? The concentration of water is omitted from the denominators as water is pure liquid and its concentration remains constant. Guys, what do you say? So the concentration of remains will be constant, right? So within equilibrium constant Kw, right? So what we'll be going to get here? A new constant Kw, which is called ionic product of water. So ionic product of water will be equal to what? H plus into concentration of OH minus ion only. Getting my point? Is it okay? Ionic product is what? That is H plus into OH minus ion. Getting my point, everyone? Is this easy? No, see here. So let's suppose if we are having, if we are having what? If we are having the concentration of H plus has been found at 1.0 into 10 to the power minus 7 m. At what temperature? 298 Kelvin temperature. And dissociation of water produces what? Equal number of H plus and OH minus ions. Then the concentration of hydroxyl ion OH minus is what? H plus ion, that is we are having, right, into 10 to the power 1 into 10 to the power minus 7 m. So we will be getting what? Value of Kw equals to what? Concentration of H3O plus into OH minus ion, and the value for this we are having, right? So finally what we are going to get here, right? See here, that will be in same, that is what? 1.0 into 10 to the power minus 7 hydroxyl ions, 1.0 into 10 to the power minus 7 ions. Getting my point, guys? See, it is saying what? A dissociation of water produce equal number of H plus and OH minus ions. So whatever be the value of this, so the value of this will be same. So H3, that is what? 1 into 10 to the power minus 7. So value of Kw equals to what? 1 into 10 to the power minus 7 into what? You will have to do what? Square. So see, power will be multiplying. So you will be getting what? 1 into 10 to the power minus 14 m square. This will be the value for Kw. Is it okay? Now, see guys, for acidic character, if H3O plus ion is more, then it will be what? Acidic in nature than OH minus ion. If it is greater than this, so it will be what? Acidic in nature. And for neutral case, H3O plus ion is equals to, concentration of H3O plus ion is equals to OH minus ion, then it is what? It is what? Neutral. For basic, H3O plus ion, OH minus ion is concentration. Concentration of OH minus is what? Greater than H3O plus ion. So it will be what? Basic in nature. Is it okay? Any problem till here? No? Okay, guys. We have seen this value pH, if greater than 7, less than 7, then what will be there? So one topic is again there. We have to see what? Ionization of constants of weak acids and weak bases that we have seen. And the relation between Ka and Kb that we have to see. That we will be seeing in the next class. Okay, everyone. So rest we will be seeing in the next class. Good night to all of you. And if you have not done your class assessment, please do at your home, guys. Thank you so much for joining, guys.